Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Rockstar Error Code 1.1960.1. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to create a new Rockstar account or log into an existing one using the browser or launcher, but are unable to proceed. According to our research, this issue might be related to network settings, system configuration, or login verification failures. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to turn off your Wi-Fi. Then reconnect and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then make sure your system time zone is set correctly. Simply go to your system settings and verify the time zone, and correct it if needed. Then check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try running the Rockstar Launcher as administrator. Simply right-click on the launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. Then try to log in and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then try resetting your password. If you are unable to do it on your own, ask a friend to reset your account password through their launcher. Once the password is reset, set a new one and try logging in. At last, if the error still persists, then try using a mobile hotspot instead of your regular internet connection, and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.